Good morning. I welcome you all in online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Today we are going to discuss about MS Word editing and formatting, that how we can do such editing and formatting on our computer. Initially you have to open your MS Word. I think you all know how you have to open your MS Word. Click on the start button, then all applications, then click on Microsoft Office and click on MS Word inside it. After that, the first page which will appear on the screen, that will look like something like this. This is the first page you will see on your computer screen. So there is a flashing line on the blank page. This black line which you see on the computer screen in your first page of your MS Word is known as your insertion point. This point flashes on your screen. This indicates that from here you have to enter your text. So from the insertion point you have to enter your text. Whatever you will write using your keyboard, that will appear to right side of it. You can see, suppose I am writing computer. So this moves right side and the word is being written on your left side. So in this way you can enter your text. After entering your text, suppose you have written something like this. When you want to move to the next line, you have to press enter key. When you want to give the spaces, you have to use space bar and tab key. You can use either of the key, either tab or space bar, to provide space. Next topic is editing text, that how you have to edit your text. In editing we have talked about moving and copying the text. I think you all know moving means when you want to make your text move from one location to another location, means the text will disappear from the previous location and it will come only at new location. Okay, that is moving, also known as your cutting. Okay, so how you have to move your text? Initially you have to select the text that you want to cut. That can be selected by using your drag and drop method, or you can use your shift plus arrow key to select your text. Suppose this is the paragraph which I have selected using my mouse. After selecting it, either you can right click over it, there you can see the options like cut or copy, or you can go to the home tab. This is your home tab, and there in your home tab there are options cut and copy. The third method is you can directly use the shortcut key. For the cut option, the shortcut key is your Control plus X. For copy, the shortcut key is Control plus C. So whatsoever you want to use, depending upon your requirement, you can use the option. Okay, suppose I want to cut it and I am using the right click method. After clicking it, I have selected the cut option. Now you can see the text is disappeared from here, and suppose I want to paste it in the next line after the paragraph. So I just have to press the enter key and there right click over there, and you can see the paste option by right clicking method. You can see the paste option in your home tab also, and you can also use the shortcut key Control plus V. These are the three methods which you can use for pasting your text. Now you can see that the text which we have selected, that has moved from its previous location to the new location. In the same way, you can copy your text. Instead of cut option, this time you have to choose your copy option and then you have to paste it at new location. What is the difference between cut and copy? In cut, I think you all know that the text will be moved from the original location, but in case of copy, the text will remain at its original location and it will also come to its new location. Now the next is, suppose you have entered your text and now you want to edit it, you want to add some more text. Suppose I have written computer heading here and I want to write computer basics. So the new place where you want to modify your text, just click your mouse pointer over there. Suppose after R I have to add a new word, so I'll take my mouse pointer after R and click over there. Now you can see the insertion point flashes there and you can use the space bar. Now you can add your new word basics and the new word will appear on your text. Okay. Suppose the word which you have written is wrong somewhere and you want to delete the word because it's no longer needed, or you want to correct it. Then what you have to do, suppose I want to delete basics word, I have to select the word. Now there are again method to select the word. Either you can triple click over it or you can select it using your shift plus arrow key. After selecting the text which you want to delete, what you have to do, you have to press the delete key from your keyboard and the word would be deleted. There is also another option, undo feature. Now what does undo do? I think I have told you already that it will reverse the actions you have taken while working. So this can be done when you have done something by mistake or you have deleted the text and you want to recover it, then you can do your undo action. Suppose I have cut this text and I want to make it appear again at its original place, then I can do the undo action. What I have to do for it, I just have to go to the quick access toolbar. This is my quick access toolbar. Here you can see this is the undo option and this is the redo option. For undo, either you can use quick access toolbar or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl plus Z. Suppose I am clicking over there. So these all are my reverse actions which I am doing, and when I'll click over there, you can see my text which I have already cut and move it to a new location have comes to its previous location again. So this is what the undo action does. The shortcut key for undo is Ctrl plus Z. Yes, now we will talk about spelling and grammar check. I think in this text you can see some words are underlined with red color wavy line and some words are underlined with green color wavy line. So these red color wavy lines, these indicates your spelling mistakes, and the words which are underlined with green color, they shows your grammatical mistakes. Now we will learn that how we can correct our spelling mistakes and grammatical mistakes in our MS Word. Suppose these are the words which you are seeing that there are some spelling mistakes also and grammatical mistakes also. What you have to do, you have to go to the review tab. The review tab is available in your menu bar. Click over there. Now you can see there are options spelling and grammar. Okay, you have to click on this button. After clicking over there, the first word which is misspelled would be visible a little bit bold. So computer, the spelling which is wrongly spelled according to the computer, some suggestions are provided in the suggestions box for correcting your error. Now if you want to recorrect it, you can select any of the word which is given in the suggestion box and you can change your spelling. Suppose I have selected computer. So in your MS Word, wherever the spelling is there, if you want to correct in your all page, you have to click on change all. And suppose there are some spellings which are misspelled according to computer but they are correct according to your dictionary, then you can also ignore it. If you want to ignore it at only one position, you can click on ignore once. And if you want to ignore in all the document, then you have to click on ignore all. So according to your requirement, you can click over the option ignore once or ignore all. And if you want to change your spelling, then you can click on change, or if you want to change all the spellings, click on change all. There is also an option autocorrect. the spelling would be corrected accordingly. Okay, now you can see it is auto correcting the spellings. Okay, after doing your all changes, you have to click on close button. Okay, so this is the way you can improve your spellings in your MS Word also. Now there is another option, that is you can also correct your spellings by right clicking over it. So how you can correct your spellings by right clicking? What you have to do, you just have to select the text which is wrongly spelled, suppose instructions. Okay, so this is the text which I have selected, and when I'll right click over it, the suggestions would be shown in the menu. You can see the suggestion is, this is the first suggestion which I can see, that this word is wrongly spelled and the correct spelling according to MS Word dictionary is INSTRUC would be written there. So you can click over the word and the word would be replaced. There are also these options, ignore, ignore all, and if you want to add into a computer dictionary, MS Word dictionary, you can click on add to dictionary. Okay, so according to your requirement, you can select the option. Suppose I want to replace it with this option, so I will click over there and the spelling would be corrected. In the same way, computer word, this is what I have written and it is wrongly spelled. I will click over it. So these are the suggestions which would be provided, and I have to click on the correct suggestion and the word would be replaced. In this way I can correct my spellings also. The next option is Thesaurus Option. Okay, so you all know what is Thesaurus. Thesaurus is a list of words grouped together containing your synonyms and antonyms. Suppose there are some words which are difficult for you and you want to replace with them your easy words, then Thesaurus helps you in that. It helps to increase your knowledge also, in vocabulary also, and it helps you to express the meaning of difficult words more accurately and easily. So how you can use the Thesaurus option in your Word? Again you have to click on the review tab and there you can see the option Thesaurus. Okay, this is the Thesaurus option. Before that you have to select the word for which you want to use this Thesaurus option. Suppose I am selecting calculations word. Okay, so this is the word which I have selected. I'll go to the review tab, click on the Thesaurus option. Now you can see a research pane would be displayed, and in this research task pane there are some replacements for this word. Now there is no such replacement, so it means I have to select the another word. Suppose I am using instructions. Instructions is another word. For this I am using the Thesaurus option. Now you can see the replacements for this particular word. This is a combination of antonyms and synonyms, and there you can see orders, commands, directions, directives, advice, information. It is also written these are your nouns, and you can select the particular word. Suppose I want to replace instructions with orders. I just have to right click over it and there you can see the insert option and just click over it, and the instructions would be replaced with the new word. Okay, so this is the way you can replace your text also. The next option is finding and replacing your text. Now if you want to close your research pane, just click over this close option and the task pane would be closed. Next option is the finding and replacing text of your MS document, and some word you want to replace with a new word, then you can use your find command. And if you want to replace your selected text with a new text, then you have to use a replace command. Then how you can use the find command and replace command? This is again provided in your home tab. Click on the home tab and on the corner of it right side you can see the find and replace options. Suppose I am clicking on find command. There is also a shortcut key for it. You can click Ctrl plus F. After clicking on find command, this particular dialog box would appear on the screen. Now what you want to find in your document? Suppose I want to search for computer word, so I'll type my word here. Find what? Computer word. Now it will find next. Okay, so now you can see in your complete document where the computer word is used, that would be highlighted, and in complete document you can see your this particular word what you searching for. Now suppose you want to replace it, so what you have to do, after find there is another option replace, click over the replace. So if you want to replace computer with a new word, then write your new word what you want to replace with. Suppose I want to replace computer with desktop, so I'll write my new word in replace with. Now do you want to replace only this particular highlighted word, or you want to replace all the computer words which are used in your document? So according to your requirement you will select the option replace or replace all. Suppose I want to replace only the selected word, then I have to click on the replace option. And if I want to replace all the computer word which are written in your document, then you have to click on your option replace all. Suppose the next option which is computer, I want to replace that, then I have to click on your find next. So this is the main particular word. So if I want to replace only this with a new word, I will click on replace, and only one word is replaced. All other words which are written as computer will remain same. Okay, so after using your find and replace option, close option is used and your task pane would be displayed. The next option is your formatting text. Formatting means when you want to change the appearance of your text so that it looks good and attractive. So you can change your text case also. Text case means when you want to write your letters in capital form or in lowercase form or vice versa, that is your choice. Then you can use your change case option. There are basically 5 case options which are offered by Word. You can see these options. So just click on the home tab. In the font group you will see your change case options. This is the particular option which is used to change your case. Now 5 options are there: sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word and toggle case. Before using them you have to select the particular text or your sentence for which you want to change your case, and in this way you can change your cases. Suppose this is the paragraph which is written as, okay, now you want to change your case, just select uppercase. Now you can see all the words are written in your capital form. Next formatting text option is if you want to change the font for your text. Font means the font style which you have used. Again, this is the particular option which is provided in your font group. Select the particular style, Arial black or whatsoever style you want to use, and the font would be changed. Font size also you can change from there only. These are the options to increase or decrease your font size. After using them, you can also make your text bold, italic or underline. These options are also provided in your font group. You can see this is your bold option. Now you can see the words are little bit thick. You can use italic option also. The word would appear in italic form. You can also underline them. So these are the formatting text options which are provided in your font group. After using them, there is another formatting option. You can also change the color of your text. Suppose the text which I have written is in black color, the text is of black color and I want to change its color. So what I have to do, I just have to select the particular text for which I want to change the color, and after selecting it, again go to the home tab, and in font group you can see this particular option which is used to change your font color. Click over there, you can see the color palette is there, and in color palette what you have to do, you have to select the required color. Okay, so suppose this is the red color, and after selecting your particular color, the text color would be changed. You can also change the alignment of your text. Changing the alignment means when you want to change the position of your text, means if you want to make it left align or right align, then you can change the alignment also. Suppose I have selected this particular word desktop. Now I want to change its alignment. Then I have to go to the home tab, and in paragraph group, these are the alignment option. You can place it in center also. This is your right align. So you can place your text in the direction what you want. This is my left align, this is center align, right align, and this is justified position. Now these were some options which I have used for formatting my text. Now suppose I want to use these options, but rather than going to the home tab, I can also use mini toolbar. Mini toolbar is used for quickly accessing your common formatting commands by using your mini options. So how you can use your mini toolbar? You just have to select your text, and after selecting it, right click over there. Means this time you don't have to go to the home tab, just right click over your selected text and you can see your formatting options in your mini toolbar, and from there you can use your formatting options. I think this is all about that how you can do your editing and formatting. If you like our video, please like and share it, and do subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone.